Little video of the inside. Linoleum hardwood floors. Nothing too fancy there. It's got the hand pump sink, 2-burner stove, furnace unit, pop lock drawers. It's got the side seat with 2 brand new cushions. Those are brand new foam, brand new upholstery. Nobody's actually sat in those. Those got finished. Fix the zoom on this thing. Sorry. So you got the under storage there. I'll climb into this bad boy. So you've got storage. You've got the bunk up top. That's also brand new memory foam with new upholstery. Nobody's ever slept or stayed in it. You've got the little underdress thing here, there. Refrigerator. Right now it's just got dry goods in it. Underneath here, you've got the house battery, water pump, and inverter. Excuse me, not water pump, water tank and inverter. The house is wired to that so that we have LED lights and everything that's been replaced. And as you can see right now, we're running off the house battery. It's not plugged into shore power just yet. Cool little feature on this camper is the underbed storage. As you can see, no dark spots anywhere in the canvas and or the ceiling that would indicate any kind of leakage. This thing has been through some pretty crazy storms in Yosemite and not a single drop.